Hi, my name is Grace from Water Club. How much time you're wasting scrubbing that glass door every week? The white build up. It's no dirt. That's hard water. Last month, I installed a water filter to one of my clients and she called me emotional. Not because there's something wrong. She called me to inform for the first time she have a clean bathroom, no scrubbing, no chemicals, just healthy living and clean water. This is not an easy fix. This is a lifetime upgrade for you to have freedom to a healthy environment, a clean house, and a clean bathroom. This is for you. My name is Grace from Water Club, your number one water filter experts here in UAE.